I'm rocking my G-Shock. 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 I'm rocking.
What's up, YouTube? Doing a review and show you guys how to operate the GA1100 Aviation watch G-Shock Casio. I just changed the battery. I showed you guys how to do that. Check out my other videos. You'll find the video there. I'll put the link in my description on how to change the battery on this bad boy. But let's get started on a quick review. All right, this watch is sick. It's amazing. Start off with all the modes. Before we get started, let's adjust the time here. All right, to adjust the battery, you press and hold the adjust button until you get a flash or the beep. All right, first thing you do is change the city time. I'm going to put mine to Chicago. Okay, use the search button to change until you get to Chicago. Mine's right after Denver, Mexico, and then Chicago. Okay, next, push the mode button again. Daylight savings time, do you want it off or on? I'll keep mine off. Next thing, 12 hours. Do you want 12 hour or 24-hour format? Let's go with 24-hour format. Change it by pressing the search button. Next button, push it again. That's the second. You can reset it to 0. Mode button, do it again. Let's do the date. I'm on February. Oops, that's the time. It's currently 2:59 p.m. So let's move back. Use the other button to go backwards. 12, 13, 14, 100 hours. 59. 59. 2019. Push the mode button again. February 27th. Mode button again. Key off or mute. Every time you press it goes beep beep. That's what that does. Let's leave it on. Light, you want it 1 or 3 seconds. I think 3 is more like 3.5 or 2.5, so it's not really 3 seconds. Back to your city time, and then I press the adjust button to exit, and there you go. 2:27 p.m. You push the adjust button to display the time or the date on that window. It's 1500 hours, 3 o'clock. All right, that's how you change the time on this GA1100. Wait for all the hands to go into position before you move forward. I'll show you guys one little trick, which is very important. Now here, it's perfect, and let me show you why. Okay, you notice that it's 3 o'clock, right? But the analog hands are showing it's showing 6:05. So this, if you're having this problem, this is how you solve this. Okay, push and hold the adjust button. Keep holding past the adjust. Keep holding it till you get to this part, hour set. Okay, once you get to the hour set, push this button. Okay, the key here rule is to get every hand pointed to the 12th position. That's the 0 marker. Okay, you want to get all of them pointing to 0. 12. Push the mode button again. Watch the hands align. Those should also be pointing to the 12th position, to the 0 marker. In this case, it will not, and we know that because the time didn't match the digital time. The analog did not match. If it does not match, that's your problem, and I'll show you right now. It's going to stop before the 12-hour marker. And it's a little slow. It's getting there. It's going to take some time. La 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 la. Come on! Sorry, hopefully I didn't scare you guys with that. Obnoxious. Oh, there it is. See that? It stopped before the 12th. So there, you want to get that in position. Push and hold the button on top here to move it counterclockwise. Stop it. Push the other one to move it clockwise. Either way, whichever is closest. All right. So let's go counterclockwise. Get those hands to align. Let's get those in the 12th position. And once you get it to 12th position, that will solve your problem. You'll never know how many people have this issue, don't know how to fix it. Always asking me, why is my watch broken? Fix it, you dummy. It's not broken, it's just misaligned. Read your manual. go. Okay, almost there. There we go. It's almost at the 12. Dun, 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 dun. All right, we're getting there. We're getting there. All right. Now you can manually push this button to make it get there, and oh, it's aligned. Now press the button again. Now you get that one there. That's the world time. Same issue. Make sure it's aligned to the 12th position. Same rule applies. Every hand should be pointing up, right? Counterclockwise. There we go. Oh, look at that. Right on. And there we go. Next button. Let's get that one fixed too, because otherwise, oops, what'd I do? Sub. Nope, you don't want to do sub. What'd I do? Am I fixing it? Yeah, it is. Okay. Yep. Sub is the same thing. Whenever you put the mode button, this mode indicator switches between world time, stopwatch, timer, alarm, compass, time. All right. If this is not at the 12th position or the pointing straight up, every time you press the mode button, it's not going to point to the appropriate mode, and that's going to show an error. All right, there you go. Timer. It's 12 o'clock. Push mode and back to 12th position. Make sure that one's aligned. And I think I fixed it before, but let me fix it one more time. Ooh, look at that. It's acting up. It shouldn't do that. Come on, sucker. Yeah, okay, now it's working. All right, there we go. Mode. Now all of them are in position. See, they're all pointing to 12. Press the adjust button and voila. Let's check the time. It is 3:04. Now it should match. The analog should match the digital. We're cooking with Crisco. We fixed the problem. Send me your checks. I'll send you an invoice for my services. That's what they get you at the store. Booyah. Boom. Biatches. Fixed. All right. That's how you set the time. That's how you fix your hands. Let's go through the modes. Okay? All right, let's get started. Mode first. You always start off in home time. You can see my digital or my little hand there is pointing to time. This because it fixed it. Yes, sir. Let's push that button. Now you're in world time. And here you can set it. What time? Let's do London. I always want to go to London. Let's go back to London. Paris, Rome. Where do we want to go? Let's see what time it is in. All right, let's go. I don't know. But Chicago, because damn it. Why not? Tokyo. Chicago. Okay. Putting my world time. That's your world time indicator. This is your home time indicator. You can set those by pushing these buttons here, and that's how you do that. It should be 3:05 if my hands are aligned. Look at that. I aligned it. I fixed it so that it matches. If it doesn't match, it's because it's not fixed, like I showed you. Next move, mode button, your stopwatch. Push the button to start. And 1 second, 2 seconds, 3 seconds, 4 seconds. I'm running, making those laps. Pause it. And that's how you do that. Start it up again. It's not resetting. I think I must have. Is it this button? Oh, there you go. Reset with this button. All right. Next button. Next mode is timer. Same thing. Start it. 10-minute countdown. Stop it. Reset. And there you go. 10 minutes. Alarm. Alarm 1. Go back to alarm. Alarm. Alarm on, alarm off with this button there. Alarm 2, alarm 3, alarm 4, and your alarm 5 and your signal. Do you want every hourly signal to turn on? On for signal, off for signal. So every hour it goes beep, 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 beep. Right? I like it. I like that little beep, beep. Drives the wife crazy. Anything that drives the wife crazy, I will use. Thanks. Back to home time. Not a lot of functions of this one. It's pretty neat though. GA1100, especially this colorway, is freaking awesome. I like it. I gotta clean it up a little bit. Sorry, it's dirty. And then let me show you guys how to use the compass. Okay, keep it flat. keep it parallel to the ground before you press the compass button. All right, I'm gonna flip it so we can see it, but always keep it this way, okay? Towards the ground. Push the compass button and turn it, all right? The little hand will point to the north position, and the digital will show you a digital, whatever position this 12-hour hand is pointing is going to show you a digital marker of what you're looking at. North, south, west, east, southeast, northwest, so forth. But the analog hand, second hand, will always point to north. All right, true north. To exit, home, push the mode button and you're back to your home position. Ladies and gentlemen, that concludes the review and how to fix your watch, how to set your watch, how to work the modes of your GA1100. Congratulations, you are now educated. All right, guys, thanks for watching. We're in the DW5600, the 30th anniversary Zoomies edition, in kind of celebrate Mike 835's return to the YouTube world. And with that, I am out of here. Till next time, your boy Chavo, I'm out. Peace. Silly me, I forgot to show you guys the loom and also the backlight. Look at that beautiful loom, isn't it nice? But check out the backlight. Push this button on here and voila. Holy Lord, if you could see this in person. It's pretty bright out. It's pretty light out right now. And look at this. Use this as a damn flashlight. And you wonder why the batteries die so fast. Oh, it's not solar. All right, guys. Forgot to show you guys that. I'm out of here. See ya. Gotta go. Bye.
Money on my mind, I got my G-Shock watch. Plus I'm super fly. I'm rocking my G-Shock. I'm rocking my superstar. I'm rocking my